Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I am going to fix sorry an error occurred email not allowed Telegram on Android. So, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to sorry an error occurred email not allowed Telegram with 5 best fixes. Sometimes, temporary snags with the Telegram app can cause various errors including sorry an error occurred email not allowed Telegram. Therefore, ensure the email address is entered accurately and is in the correct format. Clearing the app's cache and data can sometimes resolve minor glitches including this error. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or Apps. Here you will see all apps and find the Telegram. On the Apps page, choose Storage and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. If you've previously set up a secondary authentication method, like a password or phone number, try using that instead of the default email verification. It's possible that the Telegram app you are using contains some issues or bugs due to which you're facing email not allowed problem. Uninstalling and reinstalling the app could work for you. Find the Telegram app on your device's home screen. Long press on it and tap on Uninstall option. Now follow the steps to install Telegram app. Go to Google Play Store and type Telegram in search box. Click on Install option. To proceed further, click on Start Messaging after reviewing the app permission. Now open the app, set up your account and see if the problem is solved or not. The next solution you can try is to contact Telegram support and get further help. Navigate to Telegram support's official website, type your problem, email, and phone number here, click Submit. So, this is all about fixing sorry an error occurred email not allowed Telegram. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.